I got cashback on my Eiffel Tower tickets.
And me on my hotel stay.
Earn cashback points on every hotel, flight, entry ticket, travel accessory, and much more for the rest of your life. Type lucyevans.shop in your browser and join the endless travel cashback program today. Do it before your next travel.
Traveling the world is a dream, but let's be honest, travel can get expensive fast. Flights, hotels, tickets, all those little costs add up before you even set foot in your destination. But what if I told you there's a smarter way? A way to travel more, spend less, and never stress over missing a deal again? The first rule of saving money on travel is simple. Book in advance. The earlier you lock in your flights and hotels, the better the prices. Last-minute deals are a myth. What actually happens is you end up paying more or settling for less. Airlines and hotels know this. That's why the best seats, the best rooms, the best experiences, they go first if you want a best price plan ahead. Now here's the mistake most people make. When they're late, they scramble. They waste hours searching for deals that don't exist, chasing discounts that won't actually save them much less save them. If you're late, it's just late. Instead of stressing over missing a deal, focus on a strategy that actually works. That's where cashback travel programs come in. Instead of spending hours searching for savings, imagine earning money back on every trip you take. Flights, hotels, activities, even travel accessories. Every purchase puts money back in your pocket, and this is exactly what Lucy Evans' Endless Travel Cashback program does. It rewards you with cashback points every time you book through Lucy Evans' shop. The more you travel, the more you save. It's simple, automatic, and works whether you book months ahead or at the last minute. No more stress, no more wasted time, just real savings every time you go somewhere new. So if you're planning your next trip, do it the smart way. Visit Lucy Evans' shop now, start earning cashback, and make every journey more rewarding. Because the best way to save money on travel isn't to chase deals. It's to make every dollar work for you.